foot switch. It's controlled with the reverb foot switch of your amp. So that's dry. That's the Dimension 4 sound expander. Now you can switch this down, it just goes to straight reverb. The intensity of it with your reverb knob on your amp. So it gets pretty wild. One of the cool things is if you can use your tremolo on your amp and it makes it sound really great. And then what you can do is just come around the back here. I just want to show you how it's hooked up. This is the wiring for it. So you take your reverb out from the back of your amp here, plug it into the back of this, and you use these patch cords that go to your reverb in your amp. And I just have a 2-prong plug on it. It's original. I just plug it into the back of my amp. And that's the Dimension 4 sound expander.